introduction, your name and what you're doing now, and your skills. Hey, Raghu. Raghu? Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Can you speak
Yeah.
out?
My name is Raghu. I'm doing my master's in computer science in Texas A&M, Kingsville.
Yeah. Okay. That's it, Raghu. Okay. And your skills?
I used to work as a network engineer I worked for like a couple of years back in India before my master's.
Okay. Perfect. Uh, uh, Lakuma?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm there.
Can you introduce about yourself and into just words about your name and so your school or your work experience and skills?
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Lakuma. I'm doing master in electrical engineering. Hello.
Yeah, I'm listening to you. Yeah.
That's it. Actually, my friend is there. She is trying to open the link. She is unable to. Can you please?
Sure. Okay. Because if you click on the it automatically downloads the application. It takes not more than a minute, and so I will wait for her. Okay?
Can you please just give me a 2 minutes time? I will just open.
Sure. No problem. You can just suggest her because you joined in the same way, right? I just shared a link to you and Raghu also. You joined directly.
Yeah.
The same way you can invite her. You can ask her to. Yes, we'll wait for 2 more minutes. Okay.
Unmuted.
I look. Okay, open. So can you give your email address? Can you give?
Yeah, I will sending her email address.
Sure. So because I sent a new email to her. Okay. Arus, can you do one thing? Can you have phone number? I will call her and then tell her how to direct. Have the email in it. Monica, right?
Yeah, Mom.
278. So guys, okay. Okay. So till then, let's discuss about talk about Salesforce.com. So this is the application what we developed in like uh, Franchisee Force. So this is the app that we developed in less than 20 minutes. Okay. So for suppose okay, there is a restaurant which have a lot of franchisees. Okay. So you can manage all the franchisees with this application. That is all the stores are franchises, means different branches, and people come to different branches. That is customers. These are customers who pays money for you and buys something from your store, and vendors. What are vendors? Vendors will supply you the inventory item for preparing your food items and stuff. And transactions. Transactions will be helpful to means these are like billed amounts. Customer make transactions with your store and he pays around $25 and $40 like this. So this type of app we have done in the previous demo. So let's create the similar type of app in the current class as well. So this is a Salesforce instance. You can see the application like this completely in the browser. It's completely on cloud. So these are the applications. You can click on sales application on the drop down and you can switch to the sales application. So this is the application given by Salesforce.com for the salespeople. Okay. So you can click on accounts and access the data. So the terminology, accounts, contacts, opportunities, all these terms, you will be a lot if you work on the CRM systems for a couple of months. Okay. See, you can see the data like this. So you are accessing the data completely on cloud, and again, it's too fast, right? Again, it completely depends on your internet connection. My internet connection is too bad today. Okay. And same way, for suppose in your company there is a call center team, so they can use this application call center. By clicking on this, they can access all the cases. They can give solutions to the customers. They can see the reports and dashboards. Same way, for suppose your company have marketing team, they can use this marketing application. They can create events and campaigns for generating custom leads. These are the options, and they can even see the opportunities what they have created. Means what all the customers what they are by opportunities, and these are the reports and dashboard. Okay. So before going to the application, let's talk about force and what I'm going to in this slide. I'm going to explain you with a simple visual presentation. Yeah, I will start. Okay, I think Monica joined the class, right? Okay, cool. Can you hear, guys? Can you see my screen, and can you hear me properly?
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. Yeah. In case mute from your side by clicking on this microphone button, you can mute from your. If you have questions, you can unmute and you can block me. You can ask questions. Okay. Okay. Thanks, guys. If you have questions, you can unmute and you can ask me. Okay. Yeah. So these days people are looking for the better and top skills. Okay. So they want to start career in cloud and big data. Tools. Okay. If you are trying to choose cloud computing for okay in your career. Okay. So this is about me. So I worked with Salesforce.com, the main company, for 2 years, and before that I used to work with Accenture. I'm a techno-functional consultant and work with the top Salesforce.com customers. Okay, and I do have all the certifications. So Salesforce have 6 certifications, and they will add some more the coming soon. Okay, I do have all the certification what Salesforce have: Sales Service Cloud, Advanced Administrator, Developer, and my HTML5 and Oracle SQL Expert of other certifications as well. Coming to the cloud, let's talk about cloud. So these days, most people talk about scalability, security, software as a service, and quality and performance, everything, right? So they want applications for less cost and speed up, high speed applications with more performance and everything. Okay, so I can say the cloud is the best option for that. So these are all the advantages of cloud. So you can run a parallel systems, you can run a distributed applications, you can see the transactions really quickly, and for suppose you can scale the applications from 1 server to 10 servers with a single button click. For suppose you have started a company with 10 people and you have lot of customers in the first month. You want to hire a lot more employees, a lot of sales, marketing guys, and everything. For that, you can hire people, but again, you have to buy a lot of servers, pay, and everything, applications, and everything, right? So with the cloud computing model, the same applications you can scale from 1 to 10 servers in no time. Okay, by simply requesting Salesforce.com, you can increase the licenses from 10 users to 20 users to 30 users, like that. Okay. And when you're starting a small company, you don't need to buy a big lakhs of and crores of rupees instantly. Simply buy licenses. For suppose if you are 2 people company, buy only 2 licenses from Salesforce and use it. If your company is doing good, you can scale the licenses accordingly. In the you can save a lot of money. Okay, you can save money without hiring a manager for server, support engineer for servers. Okay, that's it. There are a lot more advantages I will speak about, and most people talk about security as well when they are talking about cloud, because cloud means it's internet. You need to provide high secure applications so the customers can take your applications. Okay. So for days, Salesforce have good customers from the banking side as well. Citibank, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. Most of the bank clients also became the customer sources. They are using Salesforce for their CRM. Okay, relationship management. So let's talk about types of cloud. There are 3 types of cloud mainly, that is SaaS, software as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, as infrastructure as a service. Okay, I will talk about the top vendors in SaaS area, that is software as a service. Salesforce.com is the top vendor in this area. This is the biggest space where people are making a lot of money. And SuccessFactors, which is acquired by SAP, NetSuite is a ERP on cloud, and Workday, HR applications on cloud. These are the 4 companies most which are really famous. And like Gmail application is also a software as a service. It's an email software as provided on browser by Google.com. Okay. Same coming to the platform, Microsoft Azure, Salesforce got Force.com platform, which is helpful to develop custom applications with Apex and VF pages and send to the customers on a same way. Amazon AWS also provides platform for running PHP applications or Ruby and Rails applications like that. Same way, Salesforce also acquired a company which provides platforms for running third-party applications like Ruby, Hadoop, anything, any third-party applications, any technology applications on their servers. Okay, so in this also a Salesforce company. You pay according to the usage what you're using. Okay, for suppose today you want some Python, you want some application. For suppose if you are using 4 servers, 4 dynamos, you have to pay for that accordingly. They charge according on your credit card. They won't charge more than that. Coming to as infrastructure as a provider, structure as a provider, Amazon.com is the biggest vendor for this area, and even a lot of Box.com, Dropbox, these are all comes into as, but enterprise level, Amazon is the top. Okay, and in all this cloud, Salesforce is part of in all the cloud. They are in SaaS, PaaS, and DaaS. And Salesforce really became famous with CRM application. So initially they started an application that is Sales app, that's a part of CRM application. And and now they are into all areas. Okay, what is CRM? CRM means customer relationship management. So each and every company needs the customer relationship management application. Okay, the reason I'll talk about CRM now. Each and every company needs to acquire customers, needs to make customer life for the company. Okay, so for that, company have to hire a marketing team. They have a marketing team. They generally market about the products on TV, on website, on everything. They do marketing things. They conduct events on company products and everything. So people who watch their ads are posting team. They generally become leads of the system, leads of the company, and they are sent to cloud. So the sales team now come into picture. They go customer places and they give them about them as customers. And now the service team will come into picture. After 6 months or 8 months, they might have issues with the product they are using. They might have some installation issue or problem with the batteries like that. So they will be reaching the service team to ask for this stuff. So that comes into service cloud, marketing, sales, service. This L2 CRM application means you are dealing with the customers. Customers are the people who pays money for your company. This is one of the important module. So Salesforce is some company now. So they're biggest coder in this area. They provide here. Most people use here. That is Salesforce.com. Talk about architecture. That is Salesforce architecture. Okay. So Salesforce generally follow multi-tenancy architecture. So it means still like a. So they gave a simple example in their web page only. It's like apartment model where they're going to share the resources, common resources like gym, everything. Okay, and security, street lights, and everything by all the people. But coming to the independent houses, they have to maintain each and everything. And obviously, the cost will be more, and then there will be less security. Okay, they talk about this. So sharing the things, sharing the server, application server, space, and support people by all the companies will obviously reduce the cost of the application and maintenance. So if you want about the multi-tenancy architecture, I have a link salesforce.com page architecture with some simple images and architecture diagrams by Salesforce. This is this link by Salesforce. And coming here, we are now building a simple application. Okay, I want to show you some simple application before you. Okay, let's check the time. Now it's 9:59. I just take 15 minutes. Okay, so here I don't have anything in my. I will take the organization from Salesforce, the server from Salesforce. I do everything in 20 minutes. Okay, I'm going here to the new tab. I'm clicking on .force.com. This link is for developers. Take a developer organization for developing the application. Okay, it is like this. 25 minutes. Good guys, my connection is little my too bad. Let's do one thing. Let's close all this. Okay, I can explain you some other stuff. Okay, in the meantime. So I'm not starting the demo till yet. Okay, because it's taking some time. And this is the course content what we are going to be taught in the coming classes. Okay, this is the session-wise course content, and so each and every block is like a day. Okay, a course. Like it can be in 1 hour or it can be take up to 2 hours also. So these are the classes. We have around 33 classes, so which may take 1 to 2 hours of time, and so this is the modules: introduction of 3 hours, administration of 30 hours, development of 25 hours. So in Salesforce, there will be multiple roles. Okay, that is Salesforce administrator, Salesforce developer, Salesforce consultants, Sales Service Cloud, and Sales Cloud. So mostly you will be having a lot of jobs for Salesforce developer because that is the guy. So here I got the login page. I'm starting at 10:03. Okay. So I'm taking the account Venkat. G. Okay. And I'm taking the account on. So now today I want to build a referral application, referring other people and taking the tracking of all these things. Okay. So that's the reason I'm taking a referral at cloud.com is my username. So your username should be in the format of email address and it should be unique. Okay, because I am not using the same email address as username because I have taken the same username long back. I do have a lot of accounts. That's the reason I'm taking a different username with referral@ermcloud.com. I'm clicking on sign up. So it may take some time and it will send out an email to my email, that is which I have given here. Sorry, venkyworks@gmail.com. I'm going to the email and I'm putting refresh. It will take some time because the request is submitted now. Okay. Okay, can you see my screen now? Okay. So again, coming to the now I got the login information of Salesforce application. Can you see this screen, guys? I got email to my email, that is venkyworks@gmail.com. So if I click on this link with the username also ermblocks.com, and this is my name, okay, to automatically set this template, okay. So I'm clicking this link, I can create a user with salesforce.com, okay. I can do one thing, I can switch to my other internet connection. It is available with my yeah. Here I'm using some new password, that is model 123, and security question. I can set some question like in which city you're born. Okay, I'm clicking on Hyderabad and I'm clicking on save. So now I have taken a Salesforce organization. So now the system I can build sales, service, marketing, any type of application in my Salesforce organization. Now I'm trying to switch my internet connection to yeah. Yeah. So can you see my screen, guys? Can you see my screen, guys? Can you message me on chat if you can see my screen? Okay. Can you see my screen, guys, now? Can you mute and can you unmute and you can speak now? Because I'm
Yeah, am I able to see your screen?
perfect. Thanks. Because I switched the internet connection now, I think you can see the. So now I have taken the organization, okay, that is Salesforce system. So people call as instance organization. So our application, okay. So I'm going to the Chrome browser and I'm clicking on login.salesforce.com again. I'm clicking on enter. I'm clicking on enter.
Excuse me?
I can see the page, sir. It's just stuck on the loading page of the Salesforce.com. It's just a white page that's freeze down.
Yeah, I'm on the same page. Give me a minute, guys.
The
Okay, give
screen
me a
is
minute.
just like it's stuck on the Salesforce loading page.
Yeah, it's on the. I'm on the same page actually.
Just I can see just a blank screen. That's it.
Okay. Can you see my screen now, guys? Blue color screen with Salesforce login.
Yeah, the login page we are able to see.
On
Yeah,
the
the login page we are able to see.
no, I can't see. I guess that's a problem with my internet connection. I guess.
Sure, no problem. I do have a problem because I'm doing this demo from the hotel. Sure, no problem. I do have a problem because I'm doing this demo from the hotel. Okay, cool. Now, if you remember, we have taken a username called. So let's start the demo now. Okay. I think 10. Okay. Referral at ermcloud.com. Do you remember the username? Yeah, this is the username, and the password is model123. Clicking on enter. I'm sharing with the password because you can, even though if you know the username and password, you cannot enter because it will send the email verification to me. I have to click on this. I have to go back to my email account. Click on the inbox. See, if you are trying to log in from the new IP address, it will send you the verification code or 5-digit code. You have to copy and you have to enter here. And now you can log into the application. I have shared you my username and password. Still, you cannot log in. And if you, for suppose, if you want the verification code to your mobile number, you can use this number here. I am saying no to that. And from here, I'm not going to explain you very much detail because I will work on the demo. Okay, but still I can explain to some extent. As this is a demo, I'm not explaining in detail. So this is a Salesforce instance which I have taken very newly. Okay, if you click on yeah. So this is the new instance of Salesforce, new organization. Here is the default applications. Salesforce will provide you sales, call center, marketing, app launcher, community, site.com, chatter, content. And these are all the links for the app exchange and developer community and partner and success communities. Okay. Now, if you can see, there is no referral application, right? I would like to build the referral application now. So we are starting at 10:14. I'm going to the schema builder. Yeah. So here, these are all the existing objects and relationships. Okay. System, I don't want all these relationships. That's why I'm clicking on clear all. And I'm just clicking on elements, putting on referral is the object name. Total form is referrals. This is the, so each and every referral have auto number because you don't want to name it. Okay, that's called R hyphen 0000000. This is having around 9 zeros. I want to put 10 zeros here. Starting number is 1. Allow reports, activities, thing, and in deployed state. Click on save. Now the referral object is created. I want to put down the, so Yeah. I want to put on the referral ID. Referral. So I want to replace this referral name to referral ID. And referral email is the required value. And referral phone number. This is not a required value. And what else? So instead of referral email, I want to modify this this email field like this. I don't want referral email. I simply want email. And I want to put name, text value, that is friend's name. 50 characters. I can do 80 characters. Click on save. And I can even put down the status field, this quickest value, status, referral status. That is referred. The value is okay. Contacted. Third value. You can put down your own requirements. Contacted. Joined. Joined means joined in your program. Referring. Referring and inactive. So these are all the status I'm just going to use here. Active, okay. So this is the referral status, okay, and referral ID. I want to store a referral code also. That's a text value. Sometimes people will share the referral code. To digit code, okay, click on save. And the email address field, that is referred by also. I want to store. See, and products. Because we have existing product in the system in the Salesforce, we are going to use that products, okay, instead of creating a new product, because we are going to use I want to build a relationship, that is lookup from referral to the product. And so customers, I can create a new object called customer for tracking the person who referred it and everything, okay. For that I am just pulling down the customer data. Customer name, hello reports, activities. I'm enabling this and I'm clicking on save. And I want to track the email address field, customer email, customer phone, and referral code. And I want to build a relationship from each referral must have a customer. Customer and date joined. I can, or else I can do one thing. I'm removing the relationship going from referral to the customer. I'm putting down one more relationship, that is master detail relationship, that is same relationship, same name, but it's having separate features. I'm done with this, okay. And now I want to build the page layouts. So what else you want to take from the customer? That's it, right? Referral bonus also I'm calculating here on the page, okay. Now I'm going to click on view page layouts, view page layouts. Nothing is required here. And I'm going to do one more thing parallelly, that is creating the tabs. Sorry, first creating the application, that is referral. I'm adding the fields required for the customer referral bonus and stuff, and I'm clicking on save. Coming to the referral page, I'm also doing adding the fields required for referral. I can align in whatever way you want. And I'm clicking on save. Okay, I'm clicking on save. Yeah. Now coming back to the referral CRM, is the app name what we are developing today. Click on next. Click. We would like to insert an image. So I do have a logo for that because I have taken a screenshot. The same in the today. Oh my God. What's happening, man? Yeah. What I can do is I can just directly keep this image. Better referral. I'm getting some image from the google.com to put my application logo there. Let's take this application, okay? So image as saved in the Dropbox, and going back to the we need 5 more minutes for getting the app, guys. I'm getting a new folder, that is public folder, for uploading my files. Public read write, accessible to all users. Clicking on save and uploading a new image for this document to this folder. See, the referral folder, new document. Click on refer externally available image and click on choose file. Go to Dropbox because I have saved it here. And click on save. This is displaying here. Let's go back to the application and click on insert image. Yeah, and I can see the image that is refer. in the referral location. Click on that, click on next, and what tabs you want. I'm just going to just simply add accounts, products, documents, content, people, charter. Charter I will add in the top, and I'm clicking on next. Parallelly, I would like to create the tabs for the application. Clicking on new tab. I'm clicking visible to all, default to all, clicking on save, selecting customer, doing multiple things here. Yeah, now I can see the application that is referral CRM here, and visible to default on to all. I'm removing the application access for all and adding only to the referral CRM here, and I'm clicking on save. Same thing I will do one more time for a referral object. Click on the next page. Default on for all, click on next. In the product page layout, I want to add the final just simple thing. Go to the okay, clicking on come back here. Oh my god, okay. The relationship built here is for different object. Okay. It's not to the customer. That's the reason I cannot see the field. Okay, no problem. Let's click on one more time. Give me 5 more minutes. Customer, and I'm setting the relationship as customer only. Clicking on save. Now I'm good. Now let's go back to the refresh here. Now I can see the referral thing here. I can add the fields. I'm clicking on edit. Repeating the product that I have done before 2 minutes. Click on related lists. The directory is not changed. On settings. Click on again, do the same thing which I have done. I want this to be there because that's the important field. The referred by is the important field here. Now you can refresh the application that is here. You click on refresh. Now we are going to test our application, what we have done. We are done with the application. Okay. Like that. Hey. Sorry guys. Generally it won't take. Even the AT&T is also not helping me. Yeah, now I'm done. So if I'm clicking on referral CRM, see the referral CRM is selected. Now, if I click on refresh, now I can see the new tabs also, which is added here. I can even put down these 2 tabs in the front by clicking on, by going to the applications. So our app is done. We are simply customizing it and we are going to test it now. I'm clicking on edit. See, these are the 2 apps, right? I want to bring it to the top. Okay. I'm clicking on save. Come here. Click on refresh. So this will bring these 2 tabs to the front. Yeah, we are done with this, everything. I'm closing all the tabs. See, now we have home, customers, referrals, and stuff. We are going to test the application now, okay, and the products also, right? So first of all, there is a one customer, that is Venkat, and his email address is join date is around his October 6th. Referral bonus is nothing. And coming to the referrals, so Venkat referred 3 people. I am going to show that information to you here. That is, I am giving some simple information. Okay, and phone number, that is this guy. And first friend name is Monica, and the product what she is referring is for, see, you know, referral, right? So I can refer some person, and the referral code he can give is, it's mandatory, not required. So some people have referral codes that I can give it here. The referral status is just referred by default, and I can select the customer who referred this. This is the version, Venkat. Okay, and I'm clicking on save. I can even put referred by email address also, so that I can track it. Okay, and I'm clicking on clone, and I want to create one more user from this list. Raghu unlock. Raghu, I referred Raghu also. Again, I'm cloning this. Cloning means I'm creating a new record. I'm checking the spelling. Okay, it's true. Clicking on save. Now, Venkat is a customer. He referred these 3 people, and if these people have got the product, okay, for suppose I am calling this guy, so this person has referred you, do you want to buy the product, like this? If Lakuma is interested to buy the product, I will click on edit, and I will make the status of this equal to contacted first when I called. After that, if he joined, I click on joined. So for suppose if this Lakuma is referring other people, I can put referring also, and if he's not referring and if he's inactive, I can give inactive. These are the stages. Okay. Once he became joined, I can convert this Lakuma into customer, and she can refer other people. That need a simple customization with Apex trigger. Okay. So now our status is joined. If you go to the product, go back. I don't remember what product I have given here. 100 kilowatt, right? See, I'm going to the product here. If I go to the product, I can see how many people got referred for this product, that I can see here with the referral code, and who referred that, and everything I can see for this product. Okay, because I referred all these people for this product, diesel 1,000 kilowatt. So if you go to the customer, if I click on Venkat, I can see how many people Venkat have referred it. See, 3 people Venkat referred. For suppose I'm clicking on clone, and I'm clicking on Lakuma. So she referred some more people. After she became the customer, she referred some more people. Now I will go to the referral, go to referral 3, and I'm clicking on clone. See, instead of creating a new record, I'm just simply cloning it because I don't have time to create the record now. Select this, select Lakuma. Now she is the referral. Lokma is referring more people, that is Srikanth. So now she will make money. So clone this and Ravi.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Like if the same person refers one person in common, what will it display?
So that automation I have not built now, but if the same person referred this existing, means already referred guy, it may say this is already referred. I can build that type of automation with a simple validation rule by making this as a required. So because here the email address field is required, right? Email address field is there, right? I can make this as a unique. See, I can do that also. But there's one restriction here. I can do that by going to the referrals. I will click on. Okay, give me a second. That requirement I will show you in a minute. Clicking on edit because I have already given the same email address, right? But I will change that option now. Give me a second. What I have done is I have configured the view properly so that here when I'm clicking on referral tab, I'm just simply seeing the referral IDs, right? I don't like it. I want more information. That's the reason I just went to the object and I've made a simple modification so that I can see all the data in this format. Now, all the email addresses are unique. For suppose everyone is referring the same email address, because generally the email address is a unique number, right? Or the phone number is unique. What I will do, I will change all the email address existing referral email addresses. I will make it unique. Later on, I will do one simple modification. One, clicking on save. Two, clicking on save. Three, four. I'll tell you why I'm doing this. Yeah. I have done that, right? Now go back to the schema builder, to the referral object, go to the email field, double click on it, and there is an option called unique here. Because for suppose if I referred one guy and I'm referring the same guy again, for the next guy it will show this field is already there, you cannot refer the same guy. I can do that message here, clicking on unique field, and I went to the phone field also, because phone number is also unique field, right? Because every person will have unique phone number. Now come back here to our application. I'm clicking on clone. Means I can create new also, but for saving my time, I'm cloning it. What clones do is clone will simply copy the same data and it will get a new record. See, when I'm trying to save the record, look, Lokuma has referred this, but I am making Venkat. Venkat is also trying to refer the same person. Clicking on save. See, duplicate record found. So this is already referred. I can modify this message and I can put whatever I want, saying this person is already referred by Lokuma. I can put that type of information. See, if I can click on this record, I can see the information of this previous record also, which is referred by Lokuma, that is RR04. If I queue on 9, 10, and if I click on save again, it won't save because the phone number is also blocking. Oh no, give me a second. What happened to the phone number? It's maybe there. Because for the phone number field there is no unique option. That's the reason I cannot done that, but I can build this phone number field also with a simple validation rule. So that will take 5 more minutes. Okay, I can check the existing database and I can do that. Yeah, that's the application. So I thought I'm thinking of this application to build, but I have done this application in the demo. I do need to do some modifications to make this very perfect application, and that's done. Yeah, I want to build some application with that. So we even build the application and tested it. So it took more time because of some bad connection. Okay. So yes, I extended the time to 10:52. I'm done with the demo. Okay, I went little very fast in this current class to finish the demo, and but in the because if you join the classes, I would like to explain each and every option on there, how to use the options, best practices, building the cloud applications and stuff. Okay. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining the call. Okay. Have a good day. If you have questions, you can ask me. I will be available for 10 more minutes.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Can we get any soft copy of this material until this class?
For this class, because I don't have any material, but I can share you a link.
Or
Like
for the further classes?
Yeah, for the further classes, I can share you the course content, and I do have the. Generally, I do share the content on the PDF files, class-wise, because if I share all the dumps at once to you, you can't know what to do with that. That's the reason. Topic-wise, I used to share the content, and I generally most of the content which I show you is online guides, and I do share some cheat sheets like this. This is a cheat sheet for coding, VF page coding. So this is a simple 2-page document where you can completely cover the complete language.
Okay.
And I do have cheat sheets for integrations with Salesforce and other applications. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want some documents, I can share you some links. That's the best way to access documentation. If you go to developer.force.com, okay, and in this document you can take the login as well as you can even check the documents also. If you go to library, the first link is documentation. If you click on that, we have unlimited documents in the PDF formats, but still, like you download only whatever you want. You download it and you can use it, because there is hundreds and thousands of files here in this page. All are big PDF files. You can even access HTML content also on the websites. See, if you click on this, or suppose if I'm clicking on SOAP API developer guide, I can get documentation. And even I can get some PDF file as well. Oh, this is the PDF file. If I click on it, it can down. It's a big PDF file, around 300 pages of document is this. I can even share, because I can share you some links like this if you want to learn something. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Shall I close the call?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Perfect. Monica and Raghu, do you have any questions, or shall I of the call. Yeah, this is some integration document.